Invest 95L has officially formed in the South Central Caribbean, and as of 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Saturday, October the 29th, 2022, Invest 95L has a 50% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 48 hours and a 70% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 5 days. Looking at the satellite imagery of Invest 95L, Invest 95L is looking very disorganized on the infrared satellite and it looks just like an elongated area of showers and thunderstorms currently south of Haiti and the Dominican Republic. So it's not looking very impressive or organized yet, but it is dealing with only a little bit of wind shear and it is going to be moving into a favorable environment for strengthening over the next couple of days. And looking at the wind shear map, it's dealing with some wind shear right now of about 15 to 30 knots, but it's expected to move west-northwest towards Jamaica or just south of Jamaica over the next couple of days into an area of wind shear that is light and favorable for development. In addition, the ocean sea surface temperatures are in the mid to upper 80s in this area of the Caribbean south of Jamaica. So I think that we're going to at least get a tropical depression or storm over the next couple of days as 95L moves into a very favorable environment for strengthening. And looking at the latest, or the 12Z European model run, here's the elongated area of showers and storms across the south central Caribbean. Going into tomorrow, the European model begins to develop a weak circulation, and with heavy rain continuing all across the Caribbean. And going into Monday, the European model moves this weak closed low toward probably about 100 miles south of Jamaica, bringing heavy rain, looks like now, to Jamaica Monday and Tuesday. And then towards Wednesday, the European model starts to show some signals of a tropical depression spinning up north of Honduras and east of Belize. And the European model makes a strengthening tropical depression landfalling Wednesday evening or Thursday early morning, November the 2nd or 3rd, across Belize in northern Central America. And now looking at the GFS model, the GFS model is still struggling to latch on to Invest 95L, showing heavy rain all across the Caribbean today, tomorrow, with no real organization of the system by tomorrow afternoon. And then the GFS moves the disorganized system towards Jamaica by Monday and Tuesday, bringing heavy rain to Jamaica on Tuesday. And then the GFS model moves 95L towards Belize as well by Wednesday and Thursday. So the timing is looking pretty much in agreement. We're going to be seeing some kind of system making landfall in southern Belize or northern Nicaragua late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. Whether the system is a tropical wave, depression, or storm is still up in the air. But I will continue to monitor this as the days progress. But regardless of development of the system, the entire Caribbean is still going to be getting a whole lot of rain over the next 5 to 7 days, and the European model is putting an additional 3 to 5 inches of rain all across the Windward Islands from Trinidad and Tobago through Grenada, through St. Vincent and the Grenadines, St. Lucia, Barbados, towards Martinique, Dominica, Guadeloupe, and up towards St. Kitts and Nevis, Antigua and Barbuda, towards the Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, 3 to 5 inches over the next 5 to 7 days. ABC Islands about 2 to 4 inches. Haiti and the Dominican Republic about 1 to 4 inches, and all across northern South America, across Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, and Suriname, widespread 3 to 5 inches with pockets of 7 to 8 inches. So flooding is going to be a big concern all across the Caribbean and northern South America, regardless of development of Invest 95L. And then even towards most of the rain is staying south of Jamaica, but if the system trends a little bit north, Jamaica could be getting several inches of rain as well. 1 to 3 inches in the current projections of the European model, and then heavy rainfall across Belize of about 3 to 6 inches with isolated tolls 7 inches with Invest 95L. So make sure that you are preparing for flooding across the Caribbean, as it is going to be ongoing. And with the GFS model, GFS is showing similar tolls all across the Caribbean of about 3 to 5 inches in Barbados, Tobago, and Trinidad, across the Windward Islands from Grenada through St. Vincent and the Grenadines, up through St. Lucia, through Martinique, through Dominica, Guadeloupe, up towards St. Kitts and Nevis, and towards the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico. Another 2 to 4 inches is expected over the next 5 to 7 days in the GFS model. Haiti and the Dominican Republic about 1 to 3 inches. Jamaica of about 1 to 4 inches. And then northern South America for Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, and Suriname of about 2 to 5 inches with pockets of 5 to 7 inches in the GFS model, and then a little less toward Belize of about 1 to 3 inches, and then towards Nicaragua and Costa Rica and Panama about 2 to 5 inches. So make sure that you are continuing to stay alert for flooding if you live across the Caribbean, regardless of tropical development. Thanks for watching this evening's update on Invest 95L. I'll continue to update you guys on Invest 95L as it tracks west over the next several days. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful evening, my friends.